Hi, I'm Nigel Holden. I head up Co-op Power, a unique B2B green energy solution. For the last 17 years, we have been providing services to both the co-op and the independent co-op societies. During this period, they have benefited from cost savings of over £100 million, assistance to reduce their energy consumption, and the provision of 100% good quality green electricity. As the co-op, we have not only provided the electricity, but we have gone out and sought to increase renewable capacity in the market. This has meant that we have been directly involved in the development of 7 new wind farms. Now you're probably thinking, I've never heard of Co-op Power, and this wouldn't surprise me. We've been a little bit of an internal secret. But Co-op Power is owned by the co-op, which means that we're ethically led and we're a partner that you can trust. We have a unique approach to what we do in the market. We have massively strong contracts, very experienced internal expertise and systems, and you'll therefore not be surprised to know that the news has got out. Over the last few years, we have been approached independently by other organisations, and we now provide services outside of the co-op movement. Customers include the National Trust, Grosvenor, Roadchef, and our latest customer, Nationwide Building Society. Now we're doing this event online today as a sensible precaution in the ongoing COVID pandemic. Had we been meeting face to face, I would be talking to you about another ongoing global threat, namely that of climate change. This remains a consistent concern of our members and customers. At the co-op, we have taken strong action, halving our emissions, and we're a long way to halving them again as part of our science-based target commitment. Earlier this year, we made a longer-term commitment to zero carbon, not just for our own operations and business, but for our whole organisation, including our supply chain. This is completely massive, and we need your help in delivering this. If we are going to be successful in mitigating climate change, it needs long-term political will, real commitment to its delivery, but it also needs a consistent new approach, namely one driven by collaboration and cooperation. And I'll give you an illustration of that. We've taken action on our internal direct emissions, known technically as Scope 1 and 2. But our supply chain emissions, known technically as Scope 3, are at least 10 times that scale. 10 times. So if we are going to be effective in this battle, we need to address that as well. And in order to do that, we need to work collaboratively with you. Now, if I can give you an illustration, our Scope 3 emissions are probably your Scope 1 and 2. Your Scope 3 emissions are probably your suppliers' Scope 1 and 2. We are all joined in this together. If we are going to be effective in eliminating the risk of global climate change, then we must work together on this. Co-op Power has consistently delivered results by working in a cooperative way with our partners. If we can get together and help source good quality green energy solutions, we can potentially help you save both money and reduce your emissions. Wouldn't that be a fantastic start? So thank you for listening, but I would like you to do one more thing. Tell people at your organisation about this video. Download the brochure which is online. Talk to your procurement and sustainability colleagues and ask them to get in contact with us so that we can talk to each other and see what we can do to move the climate emergency agenda forward. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great event and stay safe.